Okay, guys, a lot of people are asking, what's the difference between a slip disc and a herniated disc? Nothing. Zero. You can herniate a disc or it can slip out. What's the difference? Herniation, you've heard of a hernia, right? You get a hernia. What happens? Your intestines poke through a wall in the abdomen typically. It's just a protrusion through an opening is hernia. Herniated disc is the disc breaks through the ring and herniates. It can also slip through the ring and herniate. So a slip disc and herniated disc are really identical. Essentially, there's not really any significant difference between them. So you guys can stop Googling that because it doesn't matter. We don't want to treat it if it's slipped or herniated, okay? We just want to fix you and get you better.